Conversation in emergency situations. Calling emergency services or the police.
Help! I need an ambulance.
What happened? Are you injured?
Call the police. Someone broke into my house.
Stay calm. I'll call them right away.
Can you call 911 for me? There's been an accident.
Of course. Hold on a second.
I need to report a robbery.
When did it happen?
There's a fire in the building.
Evacuate immediately and call the fire department.
Handling health issues.
I'm not feeling well. Can you help me?
Of course. What's wrong?
I think I'm having a fever.
Let me check your temperature.
I have chest pain and difficulty breathing.
You need to see a doctor immediately.
Where's the nearest hospital?
It's about 10 minutes from here by car.
Can you take me to the emergency room?
Yes, I'll drive you there right now.
When losing belongings or getting lost.
I've lost my passport. What should I do?
You should report it to the police first.
I can't find my wallet. Can you help me look for it?
Where did you last see it?
I'm lost. Can you show me the way to the train station?
Sure, it's about 5 minutes straight ahead.
I think my phone has been stolen.
You should report it to the authorities immediately.
Is there a lost and found office here?
Yes, it's near the information desk.
Dealing with traffic issues.
My car broke down on the highway. Can you call a tow truck?
Yes, I'll call one for you.
I've had a flat tire. Do you have a spare?
Yes, let me help you change it.
There's been a car accident. Is everyone okay?
I'm not sure. We should call for help.
Excuse me, where's the nearest gas station?
It's about 3 kilometers ahead on the right.
I've locked myself out of my car.
Do I need me to call a locksmith?